Hi, so today I want to make a video to give you a wonderful meditation you can use to relax your body using sound. And we're going to focus on some acupuncture points, starting at the top of the head and moving our way down to the bottom of the feet. So the sound that we're going to make is song, like sing a song. It will sound like this, song. So this tone creates relaxation in the body. In fact, that sound loosely translated means relaxation. So you're going to invite yourself to relax. So before we begin, just get comfortable. You can be seated, you can lie down, but place your tongue behind the upper front teeth, close your mouth, and let your eyes softly close. And take a moment just to watch your breath. Let yourself just breathe in and out through the nose as a way of coming into this moment. And feel that sense of relaxation. Invite that to come in. And then bringing your awareness to the crown of the head, to the area known as Bai Hui. The area that connects us with the energies above us that are greater than ourselves. So bringing your awareness to the crown of your head, let's take a breath in, and we'll exhale that sound. Song. Feel it resonate in your head. Breathing in, song. Great. One more time. Inhale. Song. Move your focus to the area between your eyebrows, known as third eye. Let's resonate that area right there at the forehead. Your intuition center. Breathing in. Song. Inhale. Song. One more time. Inhale. Song. And let's connect those last 2 points. Imagine going down from the crown and in through the third eye, and imagine them connecting in the center of your brain. This is known as the pineal gland, or the upper energy center, upper danchen. This is really good for helping with sleep and relaxation. So bringing your awareness into the center of your head, take a nice breath in. Song. Breathe in. Song. And once again. Song. Good. Move your focus down to the tops of your shoulders. This is called shoulder well. This is a tension point. It's a great way to release tension. So focus on the top of your shoulders. Take a breath in. Song. Inhale. Song. And one more. Inhale. Song. Great. Move your focus to the center of your breastbone. This is the area that supports your middle danchen or middle energy center. Let's resonate your heart and release any stress and anxiety here. Take a breath in. Song. Inhale. Song. One more time. Song. Bring your awareness down just beneath your navel. about 2 fingers beneath the navel. This is the gateway into the sea of qi, or your lower energy center, the lower danchen. Focusing on the area just beneath the navel. Breathing in. Song. Inhale. Song. One more time. Inhale. Song. And all that resonating sound will break up stagnant energy and bring more vitality. Now bring your awareness to the area between the legs, known as the perineum, your root chakra. Let's open up this center, our connection with the earth. Breathing in. Song. Inhale. Song. One more time. Inhale. Song. Great. Bring your focus all the way to the bottom of your feet. Find the area right in the middle of the foot, right behind the ball of the foot. This is called bubbling spring. It's the first point that supports your kidney channel, and it's the physical connection with the earth, with our feet. Let's open up this connection with our sound. Breathing in. Song. Inhale. Song. Inhale. Song. And just pause. And just for a moment, imagine that your feet are in a bucket of water. If you're feeling cold, let it be warm water. If you're feeling warm, let it be cool water. Let's balance ourselves with the opposite temperature of water. So let's just breathe with that for a moment. Allowing that water point at the bottom of the feet to soak up what you need to honor and support your health, strength, and vitality. And breathe in and out through the nose. Three more nice deep breaths. And just feel free to relax in this energy for as long as you like. But when you're ready, just let your eyes gently open, taking in the environment around you. You can always do that longer on each of the points, or pick any area that has pain and discomfort and resonate it with the sound. I hope that helps. Have a wonderful day. Take care.